Okay, guys, here we are up on a mountain. It's windy, there's birds singing, and I've been listening and I've been thinking about you guys and thinking how much I have always wanted to share with you my mountains and the bird songs that I love so much. So there's one. I'm going to share with you some bird songs that I've collected this week for you, and I wanted to invite you to do a bird drawing activity with me back home at the kitchen studio. See you in a minute. Okay, here we are by the water, and I want to share with you this friend who looks like he's just taking off. Did you see that? Okay, we're back. So with all this talk of birds and all of this listening to birds' songs, I thought it would be fun for us to come home and draw a bird. Maybe a self-portrait as a bird, or us as a quirky, wonderful, unique bird that we are. So I have my paper and I have some of my markers. These are water-based markers, so your Crayola markers will work great. And I also have some gel pens. If you have these, they're awesome and so fun to use. I love the white one, and I'll probably use a few of my colored pencils too. And we're gonna do a technique we started a while ago. We're gonna use our water and a brush so that after we've done our drawing with our water-based markers, we can turn that into paint. All right. We're gonna go in fast motion and you can watch me, and then I want you to make your own quirky bird on your side. Ready, set, go! And there you have it. I hope you had fun making your own quirky bird, and I hope you enjoy standing outside, listening to the birds in your backyard. I have flute music on in the background at my house, and I love the sound of flute because it sounds like a bird singing to me. Enjoy the world outside. Keep your eyes open for birds in flight, and be sure to share with me your creations. I'll see you soon. Stay curious and filled with wonder.